Hey, good morning, Mr. Stein. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to shoot you a quick video of the 2017 Toyota Prius that I have here in my inventory. It is a package 2 Prius, okay, but it does have a lot of really nice additions to it. It looks like it's got front and rear parking sensors as well as parallel parking assistance. I don't know if it's open or not. Oh, it's open. The interior, you have a tan interior. It does have an upgraded stereo here. It's a nice touchscreen display. Bluetooth backup camera come standard on it as well. It's very similar to the 19 that you have. Or I'm sorry, yeah, the 18. I believe you had an 18 that you purchased. But yeah, if you have any questions before you guys stop in this weekend, please feel free to give me a call. My number here is 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. Again, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.